Residents who have fled wildfires this summer have faced uncertainty, stress, and fear.
What's happening? We've just left our homes. We don't know when we're getting back.
I am so stressed out. This is the first time I've ever had to go through anything like this.
Mia Jean Scalzo left her home in Yellowknife with her parents and her 11-month-old daughter.
I've got very bad anxiety, so things like this send me into a big panic state.
There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of disbelief.
Oh my God, Sarah, this is gonna work out.
After the 2016 wildfires in Fort McMurray, a study looking at the mental health impact of those fires found some residents were still suffering even 5 years later.
I can feel the heat here.
People fleeing fires this summer should seek support from family and friends, says this psychiatry professor.
They should reach out to individuals within their community, family members. It's also important that they begin to seek professional help if they realize that their symptoms are lingering on.
It went from the bottom of the hill to the top in less than 5 minutes.
This is what Jay Telegdi saw before fleeing Fort McMurray in 2016.
Do you think we're in trouble here?
His home was destroyed and he struggled with PTSD.
But long term, the number one thing that helped me was talking about it. I talk about my mental health to anyone who will listen, and I don't think it's a taboo.
With Canada in the midst of a record-breaking wildfire season, the country needs to be better prepared so people know how to evacuate, what to bring, and have a plan to get out, says this Yellowknife ER doctor.
What we see is that preparation not only does good and practically keeps us safe, but it feels good because we know what to do, we know what our place is within the plan.
She says people fleeing their homes should be ready for a coping marathon to get through not only the uncertain first days, but the weeks and months ahead. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.